Click. I'm Pax, a fresh data packet. Our user typed google.com, but I don't know where to go yet. Websites speak in IP addresses, not names. So first, I'll ask DNS, the internet's phone book. I'm carrying a tiny slice of a message, and I'll travel with friends. Many packets make the full page. We'll cooperate, stay in order, and try not to get lost. Helmet on, bit ribbons ready. Next stop, name lookup. Without the address, I'm just glowing in place.
Welcome to DNS, the librarian of names. I present google.com.
The librarian checks shelves, local cache first, then asks other servers if needed. IPv4 gets an A record, IPv6 an A. Today, I get an IPv4 address back, perfect coordinates for my journey. Caching saves time so the next visitor won't wait as long. With the destination in hand, I'm tagged and ready for the network streets. Thanks, librarian. Next checkpoint, the local switch. Inside the LAN, traffic moves by MAC addresses. My IP tells where, but the switch needs a MAC for the default gateway. So we ask, who has this IP? Tell PAX, that's ARP. The gateway replies with its MAC, and the switch notes who's where. It's MAC table. I get wrapped in an Ethernet frame, VLAN tag included. BPDU police patrol for loops, keeping streets safe.
Show me your papers. We do not allow bad packets that create loops. You are clear.
I pass their checkpoint, lights green. Next stop, the gateway. Time to leave home. My source is private, so the NAT customs officer rewrites it to the router's public IP and notes the translation in a ledger. The firewall bouncer checks rules.
Allow, check. Stateful, check. You are good to go.
I'm polite, so I pass. Policies protect the network, blocking suspicious stuff. I'm queued for the uplink. No cutting. With a public identity and a stamped passport, I jump onto the service provider road. The big internet awaits. Now I'm on ISP highways. Routers don't care about MACs, only my destination IP. They consult route maps and forward me hop by hop, usually by the longest prefix match. Policies like QoS decide which lanes get priority. If things congest, I might wait a moment, but critical flows can go faster lanes. The global map, think BGP between networks, helps choose paths. I keep calm, light steady, and follow the arrows toward Google's front door. I arrive at Google's edge. We make a quick TCP handshake to say hello and agree to talk. Then comes TLS. I check Google's certificate. Is it valid and trusted? We trade secrets safely to create session keys. Now my payload can travel encrypted, so eavesdroppers only see glow, not meaning. A secure tunnel forms. My colors shift slightly. Privacy mode. With trust established, I'm cleared to enter the data halls. Inside, a load balancer decides which server farm should answer. It spreads traffic so no one cluster melts. My friends and I may visit different pods, but higher layers reassemble everything correctly. I pass racks of humming compute. Microservices chat behind the scenes, index cache suggestions. I'm just one glowing slice, but together we build a page. Almost there, just need the final route to the search service. Found it! The search service crafts answers and sends response packets back along the path. We return through routers, QoS lanes, and the encrypted tunnel. Wave at the firewall bouncer, and the NAT ledger translates public back to private. At home, switches deliver us to the browser, which reassembles our pieces into a page. From a curious click to glowing knowledge, that's a day in my life. I'm Pax, your friendly packet. See you on the next hop.
Next, airborne packets in a busy cafe. Learn how Wi-Fi shares the air. Beacons, handshakes, backoff, smart antennas, and lanes that keep your browser flying. See you on the next frequency. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Matrix Pulse.